Hello everyone, Andy here. Let's have a look at the Dow Jones futures for Monday, October 30th. We will also have a look at the higher time frame. For the record, today is Saturday, October 28th. So here we are looking at the weekly chart, and my take on the Dow Jones is that we made a wave one up right here in the higher degree, 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ending with divergence. Looks good. Then we came down in a corrective move. I believe this is the wave 2. So we did not reach the 0.5 pip retracement level. We went back up from here. And so this could actually mean the beginning of a wave 3 here, wave 3 in the higher degree. But of course, we won't get there in a straight line. We should go there in 5 waves, as a wave 3 is an impulse. And so for now, there might be a possibility that we finished the wave 1 right here and that we are working on this wave 2. There's also a more bearish scenario where we will take out this low, and that would mean that the wave 2 here is not over yet. What we then have is we came down in 3, 1, 2, 3 as a wave A. This here is corrective, a flat structure, a regular flat structure. And then from here, 5 waves down as a wave C, taking out this low and going into this area here as a wave 2. Then the wave 2 low is somewhere here. Now, if we look at the daily, maybe first of all, I should say, like, okay, I count this as a wave 1 and this as a wave 2. And I would do this because overall we are bullish in the indices. This would be the main reason that I would call here for a wave 1 and then a wave 2 down and then a wave 3 up. But the truth is, like, this price action does not really mean a lot. We do not really get indications from this. Like I said, like, this could be equally valid as a wave A, a wave B, and taking out the low here as a wave C. That's also a possibility. I think the most important fact or observation in the Dow Jones is now that we have, or it starts to look like we have 5 waves down from here, and this is for me in the higher time frame the only important element for now, something to work with. We will see in a few months what exactly this was, but if we have 5 ways down from here, it has some implications. So first of all, one implication is that it opens the door to the wave C down right here, because we need 5 waves down as a wave 1, then a wave 2 up, 3, 4, 5. So 5 waves down should be followed actually by another 5 waves down at least. So one impulse down, corrective move up, one impulse down, then it could stop right here, but the 4 and the 5 can also follow. So on the daily, I count this now as 5 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let me start with the beginning. Let me start from here. So now, as you can see, I count this as a wave 1 right here. I do not really like this count because we are ending too strong right here. This is not how a wave 5 should end. However, it is possible to see 5 waves in this structure, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and it would align, for instance, with an index as the DAX, which also made a high right here, 5 waves up, completion right here. So this could be a wave 1. At the same time, this could actually also be our wave 1, and we might have something like this. It is actually not indicated, but this could be, for instance, A, B, C, and that we still have to make the wave 2 down. That's also a possibility. So like this then, and that we here have an overshooting wave B, expanded flat structure from here, and that we here have our wave 2 down. So that's also a possibility. And then we still have the bearish scenario here in the weekly. I will take it off the daily. But so that's also another possibility. Like, as you can see, a lot of possibilities, and I also think it's not really important what this exactly is right now. The only thing we should look at right now is, in my opinion, this structure here. If we have 5 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the minimum that we should get is some kind of move up as a wave B, and then another impulse down as a wave C, and that would bring us deeper into this area right here. This is the minimum that we should have. Of course, if this has to be an impulse, then we can also get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's also a possibility. So once this structure here is completed, we should see some upside, and this upside should again be followed by downside, at least one more impulse down. So here in the daily, it looks like this is ending. I mean, we have divergence right here in the daily compared to our wave 3 low. However, on the lower time frame, this does not look complete yet, this structure, this fifth wave. This is also kind of looking still quite strong to the downside. So it might be a bit difficult, or we do not have the information here yet to try to catch the low. In my opinion, it still looks too strong unless we get some kind of sudden V-shape recovery. But that's something that we cannot really anticipate on. This is not the kind of information we have as retail traders. There might also be another possibility here indicated in red, and that would actually be the fastest way down, or fastest in the sense, the fastest way to complete this correction. And there, what we should see then is actually it would be a WXY like this. Then this wave W is going in 3, 1, 2, 3. Wave X in 3, 1, 2, 3. And then from here, we should get something like this here is probably already 3. So 1, 2, 3, then 3 up, 1, 2, 3, into this area, 1, 2, 3. So this area here we find by taking the length of the wave. I'm sorry, I need this tool here. By taking the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, and then we should go here into this area, the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension, and this actually nicely coincides with our wave 2 area. The alternative is that, or actually the primary scenario is that this here is 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then from here we should get a wave B up and then a wave C down. So although I do not really believe that the low is in here, let's put the current wave B area on the chart. So the wave B area is the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracements. So if this here is our low, we can expect wave B to go into this area. Then if we look at the lower time frame here on the 1 hour, like I said, yeah, this is just a straight line down. We do not really have information here to kind of predict the exact low. We cannot really get much out of this data. I would say it looks like it is finishing this structure, but so far it is still incomplete. So incomplete here in the lower time frame, we can still have something like that. This is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and that we are now working on the wave 3, 4, 5, and that we then have our wave 5. So incomplete bearish structure on the lower time frame, and then also definitely on the higher time frame we are incomplete. We have an incomplete bearish structure, because if we have 5 waves down from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it would mean that at least we need another impulse down as some kind of a wave C. I would only change my mind on this if we get a better confirmation here of the WXY. I would not exclude this scenario yet. I think it is still a possibility, but now with the data we have, it starts to look more like 5 waves down. Okay, that's my analysis. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you back on Monday for an analysis of the lower time frame. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.